CCW champion. The first opponent to my left, from Guinea, West Africa, the African woman wrestler, Queen Aminata.
Queen Aminata, used to the booze, clearly does not care. They deflect right off of that juicy booty. Hey, she said it. She said it first.
Right. From Long Island, New York, the babe with the power, Willow Nightingale.
This is going to be an amazing match, folks. Referee Becky Phillips officiating this match. Oh my. Here we go. First ever tournament match. The winner of this match goes on to the next round. Championship tournament at CCW. And you're looking at it, folks. One of these two women could be the first ever CCW champion. So far the match, it looks like they're playing a really intense game with Twister. A lot of on-the-ground movements, a lot of holds, a lot of locks. Oh, arms are not supposed to bend that way. Come on. Oh, wow. Just when you think someone's on top, that reversal can happen in an instant. Oh, hey! See what I mean? I mean, just fantastically done. You know, watching these two competitors right now, it's almost like watching someone, you know, creating something out of wood, sculpting. The master craftsmanship that both of these wrestlers bring to the ring. It's some phenomenal stuff. Both of them pretty seasoned talents by now. Willow Nightingale, she's been all over the world of wrestling. She's been at Five Boroughs. She's been at Dynamite. She's been at CZW. She's been at Rise Wrestling. I mean, it's just, you know, there's a lot. There's a lot to list. I'm not going to go down the list. You can do it. But you don't need to. You just need to watch this because, oh, a strike to the face. Queen Aminata, you can tell she did not appreciate that. Oh, it's beneath her to get kicked in the face. Collecting herself, trying to catch her breath. Trying to strategize how she's going to come back at Willow Nightingale. Oh, hell no. That's not proper for a queen. This is not the royal treatment. Oh! Queen Aminata said, Willow Nightingale, bend the knee. And down she goes. Oh, now, come on. You don't need to do that. Barely a one count there. Couldn't really keep Willow Nightingale's shoulder down. She said no. She said no. Willow Nightingale not panicking. Woo! And that's a great way to get out of it. Start to try to pin the person who's been putting the pressure on you. Some strikes there. Oh no! Gosh, not the hair. Jeez. I feel for her. That was brutal. Oh! Yikes! Anytime the wrestlers find themselves upon the apron or between the ropes, it's not good. Or against the turnbuckle as she's being held right now. Released barely in the nick of time by that count by referee Becky Phillips. Strikes in the corner. And Aminata, what has she got up her sleeve? Oh! Willow Nightingale. Oh! Wow! I can't tell if it was a headbutt or a hairbutt, but either way, it did the job. Ah! And Willow Nightingale down in the center of the ring. Queen Aminata, can she capitalize? Just a 1 count. Willow not out of things yet. She's still got some power left. She's known as a powerhouse. She's the babe with the power. I don't think she's going to go down that easily. Trying to power her way back out with some strikes to the midsection of Queen Aminata. Ooh! Oh my God! It's a combination. She's got her arm, and she was kicking her at the same time. If you can be anything, you should be efficient. And Willow Nightingale, she's got a great moveset. She doesn't panic. Instead of throwing everything into it, she thinks about things a little bit. She gives herself mental space. Oh, and with the great ring awareness by Queen Aminata, she told the referee to move. She scouted out her move. She did her move, and now Willow Nightingale. Oh, man. She's still on the juice. She's got the juice. And there it is in the face of Willow Nightingale. Oh, man. Oh, that can't be hygienic. Oh, Willow Nightingale, she needs some Lysol. And a 2 count. She is not happy. Willow Nightingale is not happy. Queen Aminata took the time there to basically flip off the crowd without using her finger. Ooh! Vicious clotheslines by Willow Nightingale. Queen Aminata very upset right now by that. Can she come out of that corner and take her revenge? Well, she got thrown out. Woo! Flying feet. They can be devastating. Queen Aminata not out yet. Just a 2 count, Willow, I'm sorry. Safe to say the crowd here is firmly in Camp Willow. Can't say that I blame them. Queen Aminata did not come out and make a great impression. But you know what? It's not just about the crowd, it's about what happens in the ring. Ooh! Like that. Strike to the chest. They're exchanging blows now. Yikes. Starting to get mean, folks. Woo! That one echoed around. She's up against the ropes now. What can she do? Oh! Followed her right over to the other side of the ring. Oh! And again, tit for tat. You come at me, I come at you. Oh! Can neither of them learn their lesson here? That's some stopping power, that knee. Oh! You know, Queen Aminata used that momentum, countered it, gave herself some distance, but it was not quite enough to get the job done. Now both women down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you can see it in the face of Willow Nightingale. She is struggling. Queen Aminata struggling. They both almost seem like they're out on their feet, yet somehow they continue. strikes have a little bit less force, there's a little bit less power now behind each of them. Is there enough there to make a strike that counts? Oh, reversal! Oh my gosh. Still, just a 2 count. My gosh, how long can they continue like this? It's pretty intense. And I think that they could use like a Gatorade break or something. Rolled through. Scouted by Queen Aminata. Oh, takes Willow Nightingale down, and she's going for the pin. Not quite enough. This match matters, folks. This is the first match of the championship tournament to crown the first ever CCW champion. This is setting the tone for everyone else. This is setting the bar. And this is the match that determines which of these two ladies still has a shot after tonight at getting that belt. Oh, now they're both climbing. Aminata thought that she could give her a huge frog splash or something. Couldn't get up there in time. Now Willow trying to do something. Oh, wow. Man, Queen Aminata looks like she's just kind of crumpled there. And Willow going up again. I don't know if I could handle 2 of those. Oh, moonsault. Wow, and that's what did it.
Here's your winner, Willow Nightingale.
What a hard-fought battle.
So it is fresh, like fresh. Sweat on my forehead, fresh. Off my first win at CCW. Not only my first win, but my debut. And the first round match of the CCW Championship Tournament. So, I think we could say I set the tone for what's to come. And now everyone knows I'm not just in the tournament, but I'm in the tournament to win.